Good morning. Welcome to our social science class session. In the last class we discussed about the evolution and we discussed the three stages. The first category is hominids, then the second is Homo erectus and the third is Homo sapiens, that is similar to our present generation. And today we discuss about the stages, different stages and its features and also the tools were used in that ages. Okay. Then the topic is the Stone Age. The first age means the Stone Age. Stone Age. The Stone Age is defined as it is the age that is still from 12,000 BCE, and during that age the humans were using stones for making tools and weapons. Mainly the material used for making tools are stones. Okay, they were using the stones for making the tools and weapons. And here the Stone Age is early from till 12,000 BCE. Earlier from times till about 12,000 BCE. Till about 12,000 BCE. Till about 12,000 BCE, and the main feature is the stones used for making tools and weapons. For making tools and weapons. Tools and weapons. And because of the stones you are using, this age is called as Stone Age. Then we deals with the classifications of this Stone Age, and we can divide the Stone Age into three sub-ages. Okay. Then our next is the classification of Stone Age. Classification of Stone Age. We can divide the Stone Age into three ages. Classification. The first classification is Paleolithic. Paleolithic age. Then the second is Mesolithic. Mesolithic. And the third is Neolithic. Third is Neolithic. And today we discuss only the Paleolithic age, even though we just make clear what is the Mesolithic and Neolithic. Okay. Then firstly, these three ages, the names of these three ages were derived from the Greek word which means old, middle and new. And here the Paleolithic means the old, Mesolithic means middle and Neolithic means new. So we can provide another name for these ages. And also one thing is lithos. The word lithos in Greek word means stone, and we can add the second name for these ages as Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age. Here Middle Stone Age. Middle Stone Age. And here New Stone Age. New Stone Age. And the periods of Paleolithic age starts from 60,000 to 10,000 BCE. Here 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, and here 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. These are the times of these different ages. And we consider this. Today we consider the Paleolithic age and its features, the main tools used in that age. Okay. So for that we just rub these two ages. And the feature of the Paleolithic age is the tools were used made up of stones. Okay. And they used different tools for hunting or for their livelihood. And this Paleolithic age is also called Quartzite age. Quartzite age. Because during that age the people used hard stones, that means the quartzites, for making tools and weapons, so that this age is also called quartzite age. Quartzite means hard stones. Hard stones were used for making tools and weapons. And we can again divide this Paleolithic age into 3 subdivisions. That is on the basis of the stone tools used during that age. Don't be confused. We can firstly, our classification is Paleolithic age or the quartzite age, and here we can further divide the Paleolithic age into 3 subdivisions. That is on the basis of the stone tools. Don't forget, stone tools used during that age, and on the basis of that we can divide the Paleolithic age again. Okay. The first division is early or lower Paleolithic age. First division is early or lower Paleolithic. Lower Paleolithic. Here the main tools used during that age were the hand axes, then clavers and choppers. The main sites, that means the main areas, we can see the early Paleolithic age or early Paleolithic lifestyles in the areas like, we put the name as sites for that areas. Sohan in Punjab. Secondly, Sohan in Punjab, and also we use the next side, or we can see the next area as Behen Valley in Mirzapur, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Belen Valley, not Behen, Belen Valley in Mirzapur, that is in Uttar Pradesh. And when we, the first is early and lower Paleolithic, that is the subdivision of this. Okay, don't be confused. And the tools, main tools were the hand axes, clavers and choppers. Then the main sites, that means the main areas, were the Sohan in Punjab and also the Belen Valley in Mirzapur, that is in UP. Then the second is Middle Paleolithic age. Second is Middle Paleolithic age. Middle Paleolithic. Here the main tools were the scrapers, then borers, and these are made up of flakes, made up of flakes. That means by flakes they made scrapers and borers and used during the Middle Paleolithic age. Then the main sites were Sohan Valley, that is in Punjab, and also the banks of Narmada and Tungabhadra river. We can write these sites as sites or areas as Sohan Valley, then the banks of Narmada and Tungabhadra, banks of the rivers Narmada and Tungabhadra. Okay, this is the second age. Then the third is Upper Paleolithic age, and that is based on the climate changes. Okay, and we can divide the Paleolithic on the basis of the stone tools and also the climate change, because we consider the third classification on the basis of the climate changes. Okay, third is Upper Paleolithic. Upper Paleolithic. Here we consider the climate change instead of stone tools. Okay, the climate changes in where that area become warm. Okay, and also that is leading to the melting of glaciers. Okay, here we in the third classification we consider the climate changes instead of stone tools. We consider its climate, and here we can say the warm climate, and also the shedding or the melting of glaciers. Okay, melting of glaciers. That is the condition of these areas, that means the upper Paleolithic age, and that areas were concerned with the warm climate and also the melting of glaciers. This is the feature. Then the tools using during that age were the burees and the blades. Burees and the blades, main tools. Tools were the burees and blades. These are used for cutting the trees and also the chopping of trees, woods, not trees, woods. Okay, burees and blades. Then we can see the sites. We can locate the sites. That is the Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, and also the some parts of Karnataka and also the Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, the sites or the areas. What are the areas? Bhopal in MP, that is Madhya Pradesh, and also the areas in Chota Nagpur and also some areas of Karnataka. Areas of Karnataka and Chota Nagpur plateau. These are the three subcategories of Paleolithic age. Okay, did you understand? This the first one is lower, second one is middle, and third one is upper, and we just deals with the tools, sites, etc. Okay, then we move to the stone tools. What are the different stone tools used during the during that ages? That means the stone tools used by the early humans. That is our next topic. Stone tools used by the early humans, or stone tools used in the Paleolithic age. Next topic is stone tools. In this age, that is in the Paleolithic age, they should use the numerous stones, and they are called as litters. Then they prepared these by simply shaping the rocks, and then they get the desired shape. They use it as a tool for their livelihood. Okay, then here we can say that during the Paleolithic age, the human were using many stones. Firstly, they used the rocks and they tried to shape it. Then it is become a desired shape. They used it as a tool. Okay, and these tools were used by the early humans mainly for hunting animals and take their skins, and also for cutting meats, then chopping the trees, and also digging the grounds. Okay, and stone tools were used from or made from rocks. Okay, made from rocks, then used for what are the uses? Mainly cutting meat. Then before cutting, we hunting the animals, yes, hunting. Then take skin. Next is cutting meats. Cutting meats. Chopping woods. Chopping woods. Then digging. Digging on ground. These are the main uses by the tools used by the early humans. Okay, can you follow me? Yes, I repeat. The uses of these tools were mainly for hunting and taking the skin of animals, and also for cutting meats, then chopping the woods, and also digging the grounds. These are the main uses. Then we divide these stone tools into 3 categories. Okay, on the basis of its uses, we can divide the stone tools into 3 categories. The first category of stone tools is core tools. First one is core tools. Then the second one is flake tools, and the third one is blade tools. Flake tools and the third is blade tools. These are the main tools, stone tools during that age. Okay, and these core tools were used for pounding and crushing. Here this is used for pounding and crushing. And the flake tools were used for scraping and slitting. Scraping and slitting. And the blade tools were used for slicing and engraving the woods. Slicing and engraving. Slicing and engraving. These are the main stone tools. Okay, firstly core tool, that mainly used for crushing and pounding. Then the second one is flake tools, they were used for scraping and slitting. And third, blade tools were used for slicing and engraving. Okay, then we discuss the techniques for tools making. What are the techniques, or what may be the techniques followed by the early humans? Okay, mainly they used the stone as their tool, and they they follow the technique of stone on stone, technique of tool making. Next is technique of tool making. Technique of tool making. Here the method they follow is the stone on stone method. What is it? Stone on stone method. That means use the tool from stone. That is, the material is stone and the provided or the produced material is also stone. Okay, that is the stone on stone method. Here firstly they select a pebble or a small rock or stone. Pebble. Then it should try to hammer with another stone. Hammer with another stone. And in third step, they get the desired shape, they will use it as a tool. Desired shape. Okay, then the first step they select a pebble, then they try to hammer it with another stone. That pebble will be hammered with another stone, and then they obtain the desired shape, they use it as a tool. This is the technique followed by the early human for their tool making. Okay, then mainly they used wood tools, and also the stone tools, and also the bone tools made up of wood, bone, stone. Don't be confused. Okay, wood, bone and stone. Tools were wood, bone and stones. Main tools made up of wood, then bone and stone. Here these have little duration and the stone tools have survived. Here little use, but stone tool have survived than the wood and the bone tools. Okay. Then we discuss about the habitat of early humans. What is it? Habitat of early humans. We can say that the early humans were wandered from place to place for their necessities, that means food, shelter and also water, and here also we can say they were wandered from place to place. But in the case of the Paleolithic age, they settled in a particular place for making tools and also for their livelihood. Here we can say the habitat or the lifestyle in Paleolithic age. Lifestyle in Paleolithic age. Here we can say that the early humans were settled in a place for their food, water and shelter. Settled in a place for what? For food, then water and also shelter. And one thing is that when they covered or when they found an area that is suitable for them, mainly for making tools, that is their first aim. Okay. While they are finding or while they are searching for an area that is suitable for their habitat or that is considered as their habitat, firstly they search, is it suitable for tool making? Okay, then they choose that area. Okay, and here they settled in a place for food, water and shelter, and also they also search, is it suitable for making tools, and that time they called when the area is suitable for making tools and there should be the remains of stone tools are existing there, they call that area as the factory sites. Okay, here we can say that they settled or they accepted the factory sites. Factory sites. Factory sites are the areas where we can see the remains of stone tools. Areas with remains of stone tools, and they accepted or they follow the area, means the factory site, and if they select the area, that become their habitat, and that area is also called habitat cum factory site. Don't be confused. Okay, habitat cum factory site, that means the areas with the remains of stone tools and also that is selected by the early humans for as their habitat, we can call that area as factory cum habitat or habitat cum factory sites. Okay, and this again turn into habitat cum factory site. Habitat cum factory sites. These are the topics we covered today. Okay, and what are they? The first one is what is Stone Age, and the second one is what? I will write. Okay, then you can clear more better. Okay, what are the topics we covered today? The first one is Stone Age. Then next is its classification. Then here we select one. What is it? It is the Paleolithic. Paleolithic. Then its features, subdivisions, and also then the tools, lastly the features, subdivisions, tools, and also the lifestyle. These are the major topics we covered today. Okay, go through these topics properly and prepare notes according to this order. Okay, and students should try to watch this in a better way and prepare note in a proper manner. And we will stop here, and thank you students. Have a nice day.